Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Valkyrie Dips, and we're going to be creating a fall Skittle style mani today. The hardest part about this mani is going to be picking out what color we want to use first. We're also going to use a plaid decal and a plaid little pumpkin. So we're going to start off today with Mocha, and this is just a gorgeous overall mocha brown. And all the colors we're using today, you're going to see here, they're very full coverage and full of just pigment. These powders are buttery and they are just amazing. I love these colors so much. If you are in the market for some fall colors, these ones right here are going to be your jam, and you're going to be able to see all 5 of these beautiful fall coordinating colors here in action. And the best part about doing a fall Skittles mani is that you can combine a whole bunch of different fall colors, and then also you're going to be able to see how these dip powders perform and if a color is going to be right for you. So that is going to be a really fun part about this mani, is you're going to see how these powders perform, and then we're going to add a little bit of decals to these nails as well, just to kind of tie in that whole like fall vibe. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it, 'cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
let's clean up this decal. You're probably thinking, wow, that looks like a hot mess, and you're right, it does. But to clean it up, we're going to use this flat brush that has a little bit of acetone on it, and I'm just carefully going over that whole entire nail just to gently remove all that extra decal that is hanging over that nail, and it's actually going to melt down and become one. Just make sure you are taking your time so you do not go and remove too much of that decal. And then you can also see here I am tapping that brush directly onto that image on the top. What I'm doing there, when you see me with the brush on top of that decal, I'm removing any air bubbles, lines, or wrinkles, and I'm just making sure everything is flat when it comes to that decal. And then to seal it in right away, we're going to go in with a layer of gel base, cap those free edges, and then cure for 30 seconds. So I'm going to do the exact same thing to this little pumpkin, because that pumpkin I did have hanging over the free edge a little bit, but overall I'm doing the exact same process. And then we're going to seal it in again with a layer of gel base, and then we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. Now when you're doing this process, it's best to use 100% pure acetone. I would definitely avoid any acetone that has any vitamins or nail strengthener in it, because those tend to take a little bit longer to clean up the nail, and you can actually melt the decal quite quickly. So just avoid those. And then to finish up this mani, we're going to do a layer of gel top coat. I did the rest of the top coat off camera and cured for 60 seconds. And here's the finished mani. It is screaming fall. It has all the beautiful fall harvest colors, and I am loving it. And then you can see that middle nail has a sugar high in it, and that's that thermal changer. So you can see it has like this yellowness to it, and then it has like this transitional color of that orange. It just looks really fun with that plaid decal, because then it looks like you really do have this really fun plaid shirt on. So I really like how I added that sugar high thermal to this, just to give this nail some extra pops of color and some fun. And then Oh My Gourd is like the perfect creamy yellow. It does look like a squash. It is perfect. And then we have that really fun pumpkin on there. But overall, these dip powders performed amazing, and they are super pigmented. They are cram packed full of all that fall goodness and such great colors. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in that description box below, and I will see you all in the next upload.